All right, intermediate algebra, it is me again. Hey, we've got two cons. They're not in fact, they're not overly difficult. The first one is massively simple. The second one is not overly difficult, so let's get to them. So you need to graph a standard equation, and here's how simple it is. They're going to give you 2 points like this right here. Here's how easy it is. To find your y-intercept, 4 times what equals 12? 4 times 3, correct? So your y-intercept is 3. For your x-intercept, 3 times what is 12? Well, 3 times 4. So you just simply grab the y-intercept of 3, the x-intercept of 4, boom, you're done. Yeah, it's that easy. Let's do one more. Second one. All right. For the y-intercept, what times 6 is 18? 3 again, yep. And what times negative 9 is positive 18? Negative 2. So boom, your y-intercept is 3, your x-intercept is negative 2, and you're done. That one took me about 30 seconds or less to do that entire con. It was that simple. All right, second one, not quite that simple, but not that bad either. So on this one, convert linear equations to standard form. So you need to take this point slope form here and get that into standard form. Remember, standard form is where all the x and y coordinates are on, or all the x and y's are on the left side and the numbers on the right side. So here's how you do this. Here's the original equation right there. First step, distribute the 3 to both of those. So you've got 3x plus 3. We're then going to add the 8 to both sides. So then you have y equals 3x plus 11. By the way, right there you're in slope-intercept form, which is pretty simple. And then you're going to add a negative 3x to both sides. So you have negative 3x plus y equals 11, which when you go up here and look, that would be letter B. How easy is that? Let's do one more here. All right. This one's a touch more difficult. On this one, here's our original equation, so let's get that. Y equals negative 3 over 10 x minus 8. Well, your first step here is we don't want a fraction, so we're going to multiply all 3 terms by the number 10. We're going to multiply the y by 10, we're going to multiply the negative 8 by 10, and we're going to multiply the fraction by 10, which means the 10 on the bottom and the 10 on the top will cancel each other. When we do that, we have 10y, we have negative 80, and then remember I said the 10 on the top and the 10 on the bottom will cancel each other, so you're just simply left with negative 3x, the numerator and the x term. Then we just have to get that negative 3x away from the right side and to the left side. So in this case, we will add 3x to both sides, and you end up with 3x plus 10 equals negative 80. 3x plus 10y equals negative 80, letter B again. That's how you do it. Have a great day, guys. Look at that, under 3 minutes again. You're welcome.